It's an Olympic year, so Persimmon Homes are encouraging children to stay active this summer. An exciting Stay Active pack has been created with lots of fun activities that you can download from the website for free. Show us your artistic flair and enter a fantastic competition to design a good luck Team GB poster. The winner will get a visit from a Team GB athlete at their school assembly, as well as a £100 gift card. Here are a few ideas. Simply send your creations to Persimmon Homes through one of its social media channels. The closing date is the 23rd of July, so be quick. Get active and stay active. Star jumps are always fun to do, so are stretches like arm circles and toe taps. Can you do 10? The pack also includes colouring templates, an origami game, interesting facts about Japan, as well as how to make your own wind chime. Get active and stay active with Persimmon Homes.